tutorial, we'll walk through how to complete the ESY services page in SpEd Forms. You'll learn how to pull the IEP goals, connect services, and clearly document the team's decisions around ESY programming. The ESY services page captures the what, why, and how of services provided during extended school breaks. If the team determines that a student requires continued support to receive FAPE, we outline it here. Start with the goals section of the IEP. You'll see a checkbox labeled ESY next to each of the goals and objectives. Check this box for any goal or objective identified by the team for continued work over break. These checked goals will automatically carry over into the ESY services page, making documentation seamless. Navigate to page 2 of the IEP services section, scroll down to the extended school year portion, and click the Add button. Here's where you're going to add each ESY service the student is scheduled to receive. Ensure that all the fields are completed accurately, including the frequency, duration, start and end dates to reflect the student's actual ESY service plan. Paraprofessional support can be found near the top of page 2 on the IEP services section. If the student requires the support during ESY, click the Add button in the Paraprofessional section. Remember to check the ESY only box. This will help staff reviewing the working document and the internal reports identify that the support is only for ESY. This box does not impact what prints on the final IEP, so include that information in the description to indicate that the service is ESY specific on the printed document. Finally, complete all the required fields as you would for services provided during the regular school year. When you enter these services, they will automatically populate on the ESY services page. For paraprofessional support, ensure that both the ESY only and not applicable for ESY checkboxes are left unchecked. This guarantees that the support appears correctly on the printed ESY services page. Let's talk eligibility. Most students qualify under item A, regression recoupment. That's when a student loses a skill over break and takes longer than expected to regain it. Use your data, observations, progress monitoring, pre and post assessments to support this decision. Item B applies to students in a functional curriculum working on self-sufficiency goals. Item C is for unique circumstances not covered in A or B and requires an assistant director's approval to click it. You will only need to complete this section if it applies. Now describe the student's ESY program. This section helps teams and summer staff understand what supports are involved. Include the setting, focus, staffing, and any tools or strategies that will be used. A well-written description provides clarity and continuity between summer and the school year. Before finalizing, review for consistency. Have the goals and objectives been marked for ESY? Are the services entered for the correct dates? Is the rationale aligned with data? If anything didn't carry over as you expected, double check your goal and services section. It's usually a quick fix. Thank you for joining this walkthrough of the ESY services page in SpEd Forms. If you have any questions or need any support, please reach out to your special ed coordinator. We're here to help.